venture philanthropy takes concepts and techniques from venture capital finance and business management and applies them to achieving philanthropic goals. Characteristics of venture philanthropy. Venture philanthropy is characterized by willingness to experiment and try new approaches. Focus on measurable results. Donors and grantees assess progress based on mutually determined benchmarks. Readiness to shift funds between organizations and goals based on tracking those measurable results. Giving financial, intellectual, and human capital. Funding on a multi-year basis typically a minimum of 3 years, on average 5 7 years. Focus on capacity building, instead of programs or general operating expenses. High involvement by donors with their grantees. For example, some donors will take positions on the boards of the non-profits they fund. There are 3 models for engaging in venture philanthropy. The first is traditional foundations practicing high engagement grant-making. The second is organizations which are funded by individuals, but all engagement is done by professional staff. The third is the partnership model, in which partner investors both donate the financial capital and engage with the grantees. Most of these are pass-through funds, that is, they do not have an endowment, but rather grant all the money they are given annually. Examples: the Center for Effective Altruism spun off a venture philanthropy project in 2014, called Effective Altruism Ventures. Other examples of this type of venture philanthropy are the Robin Hood Foundation in New York City, Tipping Point Community in the San Francisco Bay Area, the Research Acceleration and Innovation Network Initiative from Faster Cures, the Asian Venture Philanthropy Network, and the European Venture Philanthropy Association. Cystic fibrosis. In the late 1990s, the Bethesda-based Cystic Fibrosis Foundation, encouraged by their then-president Robert B. Orr, invested in a small California biotechnology firm to help fund the development of Kalydeco. The treatment now costs more than $300,000 a year per patient. 29 physicians and scientists working with people with cystic fibrosis wrote to Jeff Leiden, CEO of Vertex Pharmaceuticals, to plead for lower prices. We are aware of the financial complexities of the huge expenses for R&D with respect to the small number of patients or the market system that enables these advances to become reality. Yet, notwithstanding all your patient support programs, it is at best unseemly for Vertex to charge our patients €1 unregistered trademark insurance plans, $294,000 annually for 2 pills a day. This action could appear to be leveraging pain and suffering into huge financial gain for speculators, some of whom were your top executives who reportedly made millions of dollars in a single day. See also, effective altruism, effective giving, high-impact philanthropy. References. External links: Effective Altruism Ventures, Connect Universities and Industry, A Marriage of Convenience, Kirsch Foundation Definition of Venture Philanthropy, EVPA's Definition of Venture Philanthropy, the Foundation for Advanced Philanthropy Advanced Concepts.